Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry to everyone that I'm not been able to upload videos regularly, but today I have something for you guys. As you all know that Great Republican sale is going on Amazon and Flipkart, so I ordered something from Amazon. That is, we got here the Echo. Another thing we got here, which actually extend its warranty for 1 more year, and you can see this is totally a sealed package, and there is no we doesn't see any kind of broken seal here. So let's unbox. Further wait and let's unbox it. Hopefully a good thing we are going to see here. If you open the package from here, I think I have to cut it down from the upper part as well. Let's see. So finally able to open the Amazon box, and here we have another box and another document, I guess this one. So first see what kind of document is it. It is Echo, ACKO, and it is a sealed document. You can see its MRP is 499 including the GST. We will look that thing later on. And this is the Echo Dot, and as we all know that Amazon has its own voice assistants Alexa. So this is the 4th generation Echo Dot. I think the packaging is great, and here we can see smart speaker Alexa, and the updated design delivers crisp vocals and balanced bass for full sound. Play music, turn on compatible lights, and access Alexa skills and make calls to friends, family who have the Alexa app or a supported Echo device, all with your voice. Its actual retail price is 4,499, but I got it 306,000, I think 96. And let's see on another side, it has some specification like 3.5 millimeter AXO audio out, Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone on-off button, compatible with thousands of skill and services including this Amazon Prime Music, Savan, Wipro, Sanjeev Kapoor Show, Choo Choo, this. So what's in the box? Let's see. And this is some kind of detailing, I guess. So, and you don't need any kind of I think scissor or knife. Just pull this tag, you just open this one. Very I think unique packaging. You just pull the tag here and the box is open. After opening the box, we can see some kind of Amazon Alexa, and 2 is the connection. The mobile app, you have to download this Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store or from the App Store, the Apple Store, and this is the connectivity, and this is the device. You can see a kind of a round shape this time. This is the whole thing. And in the box, what we else get? We also get some kind of documentation like hello Echo Dot and how to set up, and of course Jai, important information. And else we also get some kind of jack to power the Alexa One. It's 1500 watt charge. So this is the unboxing of the Alexa Echo Dot 4th generation, and in next video we are going to talk about how to set up, and we also going to review this unit for the very first time. Thank you, and subscribe my channel if you are new here, and don't forget to on the bell icon. Thank you so much.